Alright, I got a 2012 Dodge Durango. I was doing some other work on the vehicle, and I've got some clips here I put together on removing this starter because it wasn't just real easy, so I hope you enjoy it. If you like the content on the channel, please, I invite you to subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, so we've got a 2.5 foot extension, and we may be using the swivel on a few. There's pretty much not any of these that you cannot get to. It seems worse than it is, but we're going to start with the uppermost bolts. It's a 15 millimeter, and just using a little 6-side. Just a couple of these on each side. Not that it's really going anywhere, but we're basically getting the starter out once we get these bolts, and we're gonna just get all of them but a couple, and then we'll get on our torque converter. And the one right below this I'm going to leave, and I'm going to skip down to the next one. Okay, that one's not wanting to come out. I want to go down there and grab it, I guess. Okay, it's actually the one right here that I'm going to leave. This is still on the starter here. And these are a little bit longer. Okay, that's got the starter loose. Okay, we're going to get the starter out here next, and I just want to show you, if you can see this heat shield right here. It's being bolted in. There's a bolt on the top of this motor mount that goes through that heat shield, and there's a 13 on this side, and we have to get that before we can get the starter out. Also, this wire right here is clamped by a 13. It's right on the top of it where you can't see it there, and we're going to have to get that wire unclamped as well. Okay, so I'm just going up here with a little short 1/4-inch ratchet. We're going to go right over the top of this wire right here. That's where that 13 millimeter bolt is. Alright, so you see we're loosening it up. Very difficult to see from this angle, but there's that 13 millimeter, and now that wire is loose that was clamped to the transmission. Okay, what you're looking at here, we have the starter, and then up here is this heat shield, and I got to go way up here, and I'm going to use this little 1/4-inch with a 13 again, and we just kind of have to feel. You ain't really going to be able to see. Just kind of run your hand up there and feel for it, and we'll start loosening it up. Shouldn't just be terribly tight. Okay, and we got that one loose. Okay, and there's our next one, 13, and that's just freed up this side here. Okay, and this one I'm going to use a 15 millimeter 3/8, and this is the bolt that's going to be a little bit tight. I got to go over the top and feel around. I'm feeling around this other side of the mount with my hand. See my fingers, and that's going to help me locate it. And then we're going to go ahead and start loosening. This is kind of a long bolt, so it'll take you a second. Okay, so I've got it loosened up. I'm going to reach up here, and we'll take that out. And now we'll be able to bring this little heat shield down out of the way. Okay, now we got to work on these wires. This one has a clip. You can see that. Now you squeeze down at the end close to the starter there, and it'll pull right off. So you just squeeze on that end a little bit. Okay, so you can see right here is a 13mm nut, and I'm just using a 13mm ratchet wrench. And once you get it, you're going to have to hold it to break it loose. Once you get it loose, you can switch around to this end. Alright, there's that. Just pop that wire off there. Pull it out of the way. Okay, now we're just going to rotate this thing up. And since we have our heat shield out of the way, we'll just bring it right down through here. We've got our medium Loctite. We're going to torque these to 35 as well. Had to use a magnet to get that on there. It's kind of tricky. I think I need to get the little brace and stuff back on here now before I can't get to it, I guess. Not much to it, just got the big long bolt. going over the motor mount, and then the small one. Okay, so we have got the little heat shield tightened back down, and the little 13 going into the wire that's holding it there. Alright, so that's going to do it for the video, and thanks for watching.